This is a controversial topic, but I think we should cover it. Should you split your mortgage payment with your spouse? Now, I surely hope my husband isn't watching this one, but if he is, now, in today's world, where the cost of living is high, mortgage rates aren't making things any easier, you hear more and more couples talk about, well, actually have serious conversations about managing their finances. Some people even believe that once you're married, all the money should be combined. Now, you have other people, on the other hand, feel that it's important to maintain some financial independence. My buddy over here, personal finance expert Dave Ramsey, is firm in his stance. He believes that splitting mortgage payments is a mistake because marriage is about sharing everything, not living like roommates. But is that really the only way to do it? Let's talk about that. So I am Denise Watkins. I'm with the Watkins Team RE with Samson Properties, and I want to first thank you so much for tuning in. Yep, this is a hot one today. Now, when it comes to finance, here's how my husband and I handle things. So we combine our income, which means his income is mine and mine is his. Thank goodness that he makes way more money than I do. But seriously, we treat it as one household income. We have a joint account where our incomes and shared expenses are put in and taken out. So at the same time, we each have separate accounts for our personal spending because we still want to have some financial independence. So I don't have to tell him that I'm taking out $100 to go to the salon, and he doesn't have to tell me that he's getting new tires for his truck. The key here is trust. Trusting myself and him with our finances. And I'll be honest, I wasn't always this generous. I used to believe that what's mine is mine and what's his is his. Now, before we got married, he managed his finances and so did I. So it took us a while before we established that trust and decided to combine our incomes, and it worked for us. Now, I know not everyone agrees with Dave Ramsey. In fact, some experts believe that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Some couples thrive with joint accounts, while then there's others who prefer to keep things separate but still communicate about the finances. So after speaking to a few of my friends, they believe that they should split bills based on income percentage rather than the 50-50 split, especially when one spouse earns significantly more than the others. Then you have other people who feel that keeping a separate account, but sit down together and decide who covers what. Now, what if you're a single homeowner who gets married? If you already own a home before you get married, the conversation is going to be even trickier. So, do you add your spouse to your mortgage? Do they contribute? And if so, does that give them ownership rights? Some experts recommend a prenuptial agreement or estate planning to define ownership clearly, and you must do that if that's your case. But at the end of the day, it's not about who's right and who's wrong. It's about what works for your relationship. So whether you merge finances completely or you keep them independent, the most important thing is open communication, clear agreement, financial transparency, and trust. So let's hear it. How do you handle your finances in your marriage? Are you team joint account, team separate account, but equal, or something in between? Let me know in the comments below. Again, I am Denise Watkins. I am with the Watkins Team RE. Don't forget to check out my other video. It's Buying a Home Together, a Red Flag in Your Relationship. It's a documentary by the Watkins Team RE. And one more thing, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more insights and updates.